A painting made of clouds and blue, and far off planets to travel to. A wondrous thing to look at when you're forced to go out and play. The sun is high, the birds are singing, and distantly the school bells ringing. And I know that tonight there will be stars. Suddenly you're talking to me, your words are stepping directly through me. And I know that tonight there will be stars. And an incomprehensibly large array. It's interesting how life cooperates. The sky is the same, but things sure have changed. And words may never have left me, but your attention sure went away. The years have passed and the world is vast now, and I know what you said, and it is past now. But I'm stuck on the ground like you're stuck on. Suddenly I see a flyer, you're living my dream and flying higher. But I'm stuck on the ground like you're stuck on. And that's it, what more can I say? I know that man is responsible for his own fate. But when you got bored, it already was too late. I kept looking forward, forgot to look up, looked over my shoulder and abruptly stopped. I know that you hardly even remember my name, and that's why it shouldn't be my shame. That's why it shouldn't be my shame. I'm not crying, you are crying. I'm not crying, you are crying. It's time to stop the memories and endlessly asking why. It's cool, it's cool.